Welcome back, dear students. Thank you very much for joining me in today's topic, that is the text tool in CorelDRAW. Right now, we are using the older version of CorelDRAW, but as soon as we proceed in the class, we will upgrade the version of CorelDRAW as well as the different tools. So right now, we are discussing the tools which are actually on the left-hand side, and we have reached to the text tool. The shortcut key to use the text tool is F8, and while pressing any other key, on pressing simply F8 key, the cursor will be converted into the text tool. And while clicking upon any place, you can start typing any of the any of the text. So with this, as you can see right now, I have just written text. How can you do it? Very simply. Let me go and delete this one first, and let me show you that how easily you can do this with the help of small tools. So F8 is the shortcut key, or click here on this tool and click here, and let's start typing institute of uh, enter and what you can do is simply there are multiple things under this text category which are available as in top of this panel. You can see all those options are available here. First is the XY position. Where exactly is this? You can drag from the center place, you can drag it here, and you can see the XY position that will change according to your settings. And the next thing is the width and the height of the object or this box size. The next is the rotation angle. By the way, there are multiple ways you can rotate, but if you are interested to rotate anything, you can just manually type in here 45 plus enter, and here you can see that will be rotated. And you can keep on doing plus 90, and here is the automatically it will be changed. So let me press 0 and press enter, and here is the standard position which is in fact available there, and that will be placed. You can have the next tool in this case is the mirror horizontally. For example, if you are interested of any shape, I'm not specifically talking about the text shape, but you can apply these type of things on any other shape. And this is the standard tools, mirror horizontally and vertically, as well as in any shape. That is in fact utilized once you create the reflection of this text somewhere here, and this type of things that can be available. The next in this case is the font list. Click here and available font list, whatever you have installed inside your core directory or the Windows directory, that will be available. You can click here and the cursor will automatically change the font style. Whereas the font size that comes under the next category, and you can click either here and you can you can do manually here while double clicking here or selecting this text size, and while let me press enter 50, and here is the size that will be selected. The next is, of course, very easy to understand. If you want that text to be bold, click here. If you are interested make it underline and then italic, if that is not available with this tool, probably you have to switch to any other which has the font size with the Arial, so with the italic settings available, so that will be available. And the next is the text alignment. As you can see right now, the freelancing G has come a little bit out to this offside. So what you can do is you can left hand center align, you can right, and further you can fully justify it. Here is the logo that it was created. This was the tool. This was the text which was actually fully justified. That was selected. And then the next is the force justified. Force justified means whenever the longer text as in paragraph or things or settings that are available, that will usually use at that time. Then the next tool in this case is the character formatting. Click on the character formatting, and here is the all those underline, strike through, overline text that will be available, single thing that is overline and uppercase and positions and the character shift. All those settings are basic settings which are available into this doc group. And once you are done with this, you can either change the font size here as well as the style here, and the all those settings more or less that are available here would be available here. But this character affects that the additional things that you can do from here also. And you can, while clicking upon this close docker groups, you can simply click here. Then there's the last one is the editing of the text. You can just use this palette also, and if you're not interested in using this, you can simply double click on this text and that will the same thing which will be allowed. Now let's move on to the colors of the fonts. As you can see here, we have used two colors. The bottom freelancing comes with the red color, so simply you have to select the text, and here is the color palette which is available. Upon clicking down bottom, like at this, the palette will be open up, and again click outside and it will be wipe out. Again, let me go inside, select the double click, and here is the one word that has been selected, and from here you can select the, here is the red color which we have selected for this, as well as the institute of, you have to, if you double click here, the only one word will be selected, and for again double clicking, like the whole paragraph will be selected. So let me select manually this line, and we go to this font, and here is the text that has been selected. Let me give you another option of scaling it up and down. As you all know, the one option is to font size. The other option manually is you can do from these diagonal points to make it a larger font size. Are quite obvious that you will change the font size. Either you can use this one or you can use this one, whatever that suits you. Then there is another very interesting option is to make it up with the up and down arrow key. As you can see, I'm using the up and down arrow key. You can place it anywhere, and further you can right click on it and convert the curves, and then with the help of this tool, you can again, let's click here and let me again either right click and ungroup, and you can do this with this ungroup, and this all will be separately selected now. So further, if you are interested to make it more detail oriented, let's click on again on right click on it and break curves apart. And break curves apart will actually convert this whole text into a graphic portions. That is again your choice. If you are interested to make something like this, maybe like center point and something like this, you can do anything with the help of this text colors, sorry, text functions. So let me undo this, and that is just the option. That is just the point. If you are interested to do it, you can go ahead, and if you're not interested, that is very much your choice. So let me undo this, and that is all from the text tab. Hopefully, it will help you a lot in creating your creative things, because the text is, in fact, in any graphics, in the graphics or the artwork, in fact, the typographics of the text is the most important thing which you have to place. So these are the options will help you a lot in creating creative text. So thank you very much for joining me in today's session. Hope to speak to you soon in the next class. And up till then, take care of yourself and subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up if you are interested in knowing the details. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye.